How to tag people in Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. There are two different methods of tagging people in your Instagram story. One is tagging before uploading the story and the other is tagging after uploading the story. First, I will show you how to tag after the story is uploaded. Go to your story, then tap on the more icon. Now go to add mentions. Select the people and then hit the add button and your mention or tag will be added. Next is before uploading the story. Select your story and then tap on this text icon. Now tap on the mention. Mention the person and then upload the story. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.